Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we will be looking at the deliveries feature, and specifically for this particular episode, we will be looking at delivery statuses on Keepsales. Now, if you are a business that is actively involved in delivery, Keepsales allows you to schedule your deliveries and manage them all in one place. So let's get to it. Let's have a look at how it is. Okay, so you go to records and history, and then you click on today's deliveries. Okay, so over here, okay, you are able to see all the deliveries that are pending for the day. Okay, now delivery statuses basically mean that you want to know at every point in time what's happening to a particular delivery. Okay, so if you like I said, if you're actively involved in a delivery, this will be very important. You want to find out whether it's still pending or it's been already packaged, okay, or it's already on the way to the customer, or it has been successfully it's been delivered. Okay, so to go about that, first you can click to fetch a packaging receipt, okay, to be given to the delivery person. Okay, so when you click on it, you can either click on the normal receipt size or the A4 receipt size. Okay, so if it's the A4 receipt size, you click on any of the options. All right, but if it's the normal receipt size, okay, the receipt would appear and then you print it out. We also have a bulk SMS feature which allows you to send, okay, receipts to your customers. Okay, so you can take advantage of that. Okay, the papers are getting archaic nowadays, so just a simple SMS text, okay, with the receipt link. They just tap on the receipt link and then they can view their receipt, okay, as well. All right, so for this particular delivery, okay, let's just say it's packaged and is ready to go. Now you notice that for the statuses pending, ready to go, on the way, delivered, okay, they have icons by them. Now you notice that these icons are also found here. So ready to go, okay, you see it here. You see the on the way icon here, you see the delivered icon here. Then there are these two, which is the returned. Okay, that is if the customer rejected the item and so the delivery person has to return, bring it back, or if the delivery was cancelled, okay, before it was set off. All right, so to go about it, you just click, okay, on the particular delivery. When you click, you see that it's checked, the information fades, it's checked, okay, and then if it's been packaged and is ready to go, you just click on this. Okay, so it moves, the card moves, okay, to the ready to go portion. Okay, now if it's on the way, all right, you just click, okay, and then it moves here. Okay, so in Keepsales, okay, deliveries are not recorded as sales until it is delivered, successfully delivered. Okay, so whilst it's going through these phases, it hasn't been recorded as sales yet. Okay, this is supposed to help, so that in case it's cancelled or returned, it doesn't mess up, okay, your sales record. All right, so let's just say that this particular item, okay, was returned. Okay, if it was returned, okay, you just click on the returned, okay, and then it says that it's been marked as returned. All right, but if it was successfully delivered, okay, as you move it along the way, okay, this helps you. If a customer calls you to want to find out what is happening to their delivery, you can just come to this portion, and then you are able to know that, okay, your delivery is on the way or it's been returned, or whichever, you are up to date with what is happening to a customer's delivery. Okay, so you click on the way, it comes here. Now let's just say it was delivered, so we click on delivered. All right, so it tells us that, well, our selected order has been marked as delivered and it's been recorded as sales. Okay, so this is all for, like I said, there's a cancelled feature as well to cancel any particular delivery. All right, so this is all for our delivery statuses. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available for you, so do well to check it out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.